Texas has the best workforce of any state in the United States. So it's great to have the best, but to maintain the best requires constantly remaining vigilant to ensure that we are providing the best training, the best education to have the best workforce in America.
We have more than 10,000 students here at South Plains College, and our success is based on our faculty that serve the college so willingly, our strong partnerships we have with our local universities, with our local school districts, and with the industries that we work hand in hand with every single day to make sure we are meeting the industry needs of the students that graduate and make sure that they are well prepared for the jobs that they are entering into.
Texas community colleges serve nearly 750,000 students a year. We are the largest sector of higher education in Texas, serving working adults, first-generation students, and Texans reskilling for the high-demand careers that keep our state's economy moving. Texas community colleges are economic development engines in every corner of our great state. And South Plains College is a powerful example of that mission right here in West Texas.
Thank you, Dr. Satterwhite. Thank you for your leadership. Thank you for the tour. Thank you for everything that you're doing to promote a pipeline of more talented, skilled, trained workforce in the state of Texas. We need education in general, whether it be in career and technical training, whether it be in public schools, whether it be in 2-year colleges or 4-year colleges, to make sure we are training our students, to make sure that when they leave the school they're at, whether it be a high school, a college, or 4-year university, they're going to have a good paying job that they are trained to go work in. Gone are the days when we have students sometimes taking out loans of $200,000 to go to a 4-year college program and never get a job. That is a disservice to that student. It is a disservice to our state. Before coming into this location here, we took a visit where I was shown what they're doing with auto technicians and the training of auto technicians. And the comment was made by the leader of that program, and that is there's so much demand by students, have a waiting list for students to get into that program, but so much demand from employers around the state. And just like with welders, I was told that those auto technicians, they too can get on a program where they will be earning a 6-figure salary once they get into their career. And so these are really great paying jobs that are in extraordinary demand. If you just look in certain parts of the state of Texas, the demand for welders, the demand for electricians are 2 easy examples where we need to be cranking out thousands of these degree and certifications every single year. So I'm very proud of what's taking place right here. Very proud also of the leadership that I have working with me in the Capitol to make sure we're able to deliver programs like this. We truly are building and manufacturing the future of the entire world right here in the state of Texas. Business and labor and continuing education, they're all working together with the launch of the Texas Jobs Council. It brings together business leaders, labor leaders, education leaders like South Plains College. The Texas Jobs Council is an official advisory board for the state of Texas. It will prioritize strengthening our workforce pipeline. That includes things like providing the existing workforce with the resources that will enhance their skills, equipping new job applicants with the skills they need to be able to succeed in the workforce, and developing the premier job skill training program at high schools, at colleges, and at apprenticeships across the entire state. We are united on a mission that benefits all Texans to keep Texas #1 for business, keep Texas #1 for jobs and employment opportunities, and keep Texas the #1 workforce training program in the United States, ensuring great careers for generations to come for our fellow Texans. So thank you for everybody here for being part of that great successful program. God bless you all, and God bless the great state of Texas.